Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use frames in Figma. Frames are essential containers that organize your design elements, acting like a canvas for your work. They allow you to define specific areas for your designs, similar to artboards in other software. You can easily nest frames within one another to create intricate and well-structured layouts. Understanding frames is the first step towards building robust and scalable designs in Figma. To create a frame, simply select the Frame tool from the toolbar or press the letter F on your keyboard. You can then click and drag on the canvas to draw a custom-sized frame or choose from a variety of preset dimensions for popular devices like phones and tablets. Once created, easily resize your frame by dragging its edges or by inputting precise width and height values in the Properties panel on the right. This gives you full control over your design canvas. Frames offer a rich set of properties to customize their appearance, including fill colors, strokes, effects, and corner radius. For precise alignment, you can apply layout grids directly to your frames, ensuring consistent spacing across your design. Crucially, constraints dictate how elements inside a frame respond to resizing. You can set horizontal and vertical constraints to scale, stay fixed to one side, or remain centered, making your designs truly responsive and adaptable. Frames are powerful organizational tools. By grouping related elements within a frame, you create a clean and manageable structure for your design. They are also fundamental for creating reusable components, ensuring consistency across your entire project. Furthermore, frames are the building blocks for prototyping, allowing you to define distinct screens and interactions. Always remember to name your frames clearly in the Layers panel for efficient navigation and collaboration within your team.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.